Hey there, science fans. Remember JavaScript? It's the language that makes websites interactive and fun. Well, guess what? JavaScript is doing much more these days. It's diving headfirst into the exciting world of machine learning. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data. Think self-driving cars or computers that can recognize your face in photos. Exciting stuff, right? And you know what? You can be a part of it. We used to think you needed to be a computer whiz to work with machine learning. Not anymore. JavaScript is making it easier than ever for anyone to jump in and start exploring. So, are you ready for an adventure? Let's explore the world of machine learning with JavaScript. Okay, so why JavaScript? Why not some other language with a fancy name? Well, let me tell you, JavaScript has some serious advantages. First, JavaScript is beginner-friendly. Its syntax is simple and easy to understand, even if you're new to programming. Plus, there are tons of resources available online to help you learn. Second, JavaScript is super popular. That means there's a huge community of developers who know and love JavaScript. If you ever get stuck, you can bet someone out there has the answer. Third, JavaScript is versatile. It runs on all kinds of devices, from your phone to your laptop to powerful servers. That means you can build and run machine learning models practically anywhere. So, JavaScript is easy to learn, has a massive community, and runs everywhere. What's not to love? Alright, before we build our own machine learning models, let's talk about some essential JavaScript concepts. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. First up, data structures. These are like containers that hold your data in an organized way. Think of arrays like lists and objects like collections of key-value pairs. Next, we have functions. Functions are like recipes. They take some input, ingredients, follow a set of instructions, and produce an output, your delicious meal. And finally, control flow. This is how we tell our programs what to do and when to do it. We use things like if-else statements and loops to create the logic of our programs. These concepts might sound a little technical, but trust me, they're not that complicated. And once you understand them, you'll be well on your way to mastering JavaScript for machine learning. Now for the fun part, building stuff. There are fantastic JavaScript libraries out there that make it incredibly easy to create machine learning models. One of my favorites is TensorFlow.js. It's a powerful library developed by Google that lets you build and train all sorts of machine learning models right in your web browser. Another cool option is Brain.js. It's a library specifically designed for building neural networks which are inspired by the human brain. Brain.js is super intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. And if you're interested in working with images, check out ML5.js. It's built on top of TensorFlow.js and makes it super simple to create projects like image classifiers and object detectors. Imagine building an app that can recognize different types of flowers from a photo, or a game that responds to your hand gestures. With JavaScript and these awesome libraries, the possibilities are endless.